So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the scapular anastomosis. So as you can see, the scapular anastomosis is a network of blood vessels between the first part of the axillary artery and the between the first part of the subclavian artery and the third part of the axillary artery. So as you can see, this is the first part of the subclavian artery. So this first part of the subclavian artery gives off a branch which is known as the thyrocervical trunk. Now this thyrocervical trunk, it gives off two branches. One is the suprascapular artery. This suprascapular artery passes through the suprascapular notch on the superior border of the scapula, and then it passes through this notch, which is known as the spinoglenoid notch, to reach the infraspinous fossa. This is the subscapular artery. Now another branch, which is called the transverse cervical, it gives a deep branch. So the deep branch of the transverse cervical artery, it crosses over to the medial angle, and then it gives up certain branches. These are the branches. And see, this is the second part of the axillary artery, which grips a branch called the thoracoacromial artery. Now this thoracoacromial artery, it has a acromial branch. This acromial branch from the thoracoacromial artery, acromial branch of the suprascapular artery, the acromial branch of the suprascapular, acromial branch of the thoracoacromial, and another branch. This is the third part of the axillary artery. So this has anterior circumflex humeral artery, posterior circumflex humeral artery, and the circumflex, and this is the subscapular artery, anterior circumflex, posterior circumflex. From posterior circumflex we have another acromial branch. So the anastomosis at the acromion is by the acromial branch of the posterior circumflex humeral artery, acromial branch of the thoracoacromial artery, and the acromial branch of the suprascapular artery. Now anastomosis at the body. We have the branches of deep branch of the transverse cervical artery, then the suprascapular artery, and the branch of the subscapular, which is known as the circumflex scapular. Remember that circumflex scapular, it pierces through the origin of the teres minor. Teres minor takes its origin here. So it traverses through the origin of the teres minor. So this forms the anastomosis at the body and acromion. Let us revise. So at the body, branch from the deep branch of the transverse cervical, branch from the subscapular and the circumflex scapular, and at the acromion process, acromial branch of the suprascapular, acromial branch of the posterior circumflex humeral, and acromial branch of the thoracoacromial artery. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.